Hi everybody, welcome back to the shop. And it's been a couple of rough weeks weather-wise. Humidity's been real high, and we've had storms all around us. We had a few storms here. Just about every day there's been a chance of rain, so I haven't done anything to the door yet. Don't know when I'll get to it, but I think I'm gonna move ahead and get back on the interior. Today I'm going to pull this truck up a little bit, and I'm going to get in, I'm going to install the ashtray and the glove box, I hope. So I'm going to bring y'all along, show you the best way I found to install this ashtray, and so stick around and we'll get to it. Alright, so I just got y'all setting up on the seat, so it may be a little rocky. Notice I've got the air duct moved out of the way, and we also have a little fiber optic light that goes into the ashtray. We'll need to reinstall that. What I'm going to do right now is I've got this ashtray taped up around the edges. We're just going to stick it in very carefully. Get it out from under all this junk. The bottom's got to come out, or does it? No. Yeah, I like just a little bit getting her all the way down. This tape's a little thick, I think. I wouldn't have no trouble getting it out. I'm glad I taped it up, I can tell you that. Well, let's see. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is get these upper screws in. These things done come off. And these are 7mm. Can't see for shit. Move my light where I can see something. I don't know how good y'all can see, but I'm looking at the top here. I can see the where the screws go in. So it's just a matter of lining it up and getting these screws in, and we'll screw the bottom in last. Alright, so I finally got it in. It was a little bit fiddly. I think I did kind of fuck the paint up right there. This thing is, this little bar down here in the bottom, kind of what holds it open. Got the cigarette lighter back in. I guess that's going to be good. I didn't do a great job of painting in here anyway. I can see I didn't get near enough clear right there. But it's so dark in here with this dark blue. I don't think I'm going to even worry about it. Alright. I guess now I need to put this ductwork back in. I just got it slid all the way to the back here, and it's not really that big a deal to get back in, so you just kind of get it around these wires back in here. So it's a little bit hard to do, but can't do it one-handed, that's for sure. So I'll get this back in and I'll bring it back. We'll try to get the glove box on. Alright, so I got this ductwork back in. It's just one 8mm headed screw here, and put the light back on, you can see. one 7mm headed screw down here on top of the where it attaches to this main transition here. It goes down to the air conditioning box. And I think we are ready to put our glove box together. This here is an aftermarket glove box. This one is made for air conditioners, and you can see it's a little bit dusty. It's still in the wrapper, but that's about all I can say. Now these 4 screws, 2 on each side, that go in, and it goes on fairly easy. Just like that. That's how it should go. Slide on. Here's the hinge part, bolt to the truck. Now we got to put our 4 screws in and our knob. I'm going to put something down on this table right here. My temporary work table here. I got to have some more workbenches. So I'll go ahead and get the 4 screws in, and we'll come back and put the glove box latch on. Alright, so I got the bolts in, and now we're ready to put the cylinder on. Now this thing, it's got kind of it looks like a hex, but it ain't an Allen head. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is 8-sided though, so I guess it is a hex. Well, a hex is 6-sided, though. It's octagon. Anyway, we're going to slide this in, put it through the front. I have not found but one thing that I might be able to use to tighten with, and that's a 11/32 socket using the end of it right here. So this thing's going to screw it on by hand until it gets tight. Actually, it may go where I want it to. Yeah, that's pretty close right there. Now this thing here's got some little pins here. I don't know if y'all can see where my fingers are at. Let me get down in there. Little pins, they go to the top. So they're going to just click in. There it went. So that unlatched it. And if we latch it back, it should straighten it up. Boop. Unlatched. Alright. Well, other than a bunch of fingerprints, I think it didn't turn out too bad. We got to find the 4 bolts that go on the bottom. See if we can't get them mounted up. Alright, so I pulled the truck outside, got the passenger door open. Luckily it didn't hit the fender, and it looked like it's clearing pretty good, so I really need to finish bolting that fender on. But we're going to go ahead and stick this glove box in, and I think I got the right bolts for her. And we'll slide this in, latch it. That should get us pretty close. 7mm on these. This thing's pretty stiff. Bend it over. Pretty much it. That's what you want. So I guess that's going to do it for this video, everybody. I appreciate y'all watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Stay tuned. Don't know when we'll get on that door, but it's given me a lot of opportunity to finish doing some stuff in the cab, get ready for the windshield and all that. So stay tuned for more.